If you are thinking about buying a MacBook right now, stop, because Apple just released the MacBook Neo for $599 and it look like a crazy deal. But here is the problem: for just a few $100 more, you can get the MacBook Air M4, and the difference is bigger than you think. So the real question is simple: are you saving money or making a mistake? Let's break it down. Alright, so here is the situation. Apple now has two very interesting laptops. On one side, you have got the MacBook Neo with the A18 Pro chip. This is the Apple chipset MacBook ever. And on the other side, you have got the MacBook Air with the M4 chip. This is one the most people actually recommend it. At first glance, they look almost the same. Some clean design, some Apple logo, some thin body. But once you start using them, they feel very different. So let's talk about what really matters. Design. If you just look at both laptops on a table, you might think you are identical. Both are slim, both are lightweight, both are made from premium. The MacBook Neo weighs around 1.23 kg and the Air is almost the same. But here is the difference: the Neo feel like Apple made it to hit a price. The Air feel like Apple made it to last year. Even the color tell the story. Neo come in more playful color while the Air look more professional. Not a huge deal, but you notice it. Display. Now let's talk about the screen. The MacBook Neo has a 13-inch display. The MacBook Air has a slightly bigger 13.6-inch display with the high resolution. On paper, it does not sound like a big deal, but in real life, the Air looks sharper, more colorful, and just better for long use. If you watch Netflix or YouTube, both are fine. But if you edit photo or spend hours staring at the screen, the Air is clearly better. Performance. This is where I think gets serious. The MacBook Neo uses the A18 Pro chip. Yes, the same type of chip that was originally made for iPhone. And here is the interesting part. The chip is actually very fast in single task. In fact, it can beat many high-end processors in single core performance. Sound amazing, right? But here is the catch. It struggles when you do multiple things at once. The MacBook Air uses the M4 chip. This chip is built for laptop. It has more CPU core, more GPU power, and way right memory bandwidth. Real difference: open apps both fast. Many apps at once. Air is smoother. Video editing, Air win easily. Heavy work, Neo start slowly down. Yet this is not just theory. Tests show multi-core performance on Air is almost double. That's big gap. RAM. Let's real for the second. This is where the Neo fall apart. The MacBook Neo come with the 8GB of RAM and you cannot upgrade it. The MacBook Air start at 16GB of RAM and you can go up to 32GB of RAM. Now in the 2026, 8GB of RAM is tight. It work but only for basic stuff. Open to many Chrome tab, run some apps, maybe the little editing, and you will feel it. That's why many users online are saying the same thing. 8GB of RAM is the biggest limitation. And honestly, they are right. Battery life. Battery life is actually good on both. The Neo give around 16 hours and the Air give around 18 hours. So yeah, both can easily last a full day, but the Air still give you a little extra safety. Ports and future. This is where Apple clearly cut cost. The MacBook Neo basic USB ports is available. No Thunderbolt is available. The MagSafe is not also available. But the MacBook Air Thunderbolt ports is also available. The MagSafe charging is available. Faster connection. This matter more than the people think. If you connect monitor, SSD or accessory, the Air is just way more flexible. Camera and speaker. The Air is also has better camera and speaker. It even include feature like center stage for video call. The Neo just give you the basics. So for Zoom call, meeting or content creation, our Air feel more premium. Price. Now let's talk about the real reason this laptop exists. The MacBook Neo cost around $599. That's cheap for Apple. The MacBook Air cost around $999 or more. So yeah, big difference. And this is where most people get stuck. Let's keep it simple. Buy the MacBook Neo if you only a browser, YouTube, Words. You are a student on in tight budget. You just want a cheap Mac. Buy MacBook Air M4 if you multitasker, you editing photo or video, you want a laptop for 4 to 5 years, you don't want performance issue later. Here is the truth, the MacBook Neo is a good but limited. The MacBook Air M4 is more expensive but complete. One save you money today, the other save you frustration later. Or before you buy, ask yourself one question, do you want the chipset Mac or the smartest Mac? Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video.